shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Ding, ding, bell, school is near. But something spooky appears right here. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker away. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding, bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all. Bubble, bubble, don't pop, pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says stay close to me. Baby shark, what can it be? Bubble, bubble and go slow, slow, slow. All history's about to show. Beating baby shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are spraying. Pop, 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 goes every side. Laughing loud with happy pride. Be bubble back, yay, yay, yay. Play with bubbles all the day. Suddenly silence in the air. Bubbles stop, nothing's there. Sky turns dark, very slow. Cold wind starts to blow. Baby shark whispers, I don't like this. Kitty bubble salute. Baby shark, wait, that's it. Kitty laughs, it's just a little break. Bubble monster, go away, go. Hey, bubbly, I'll never do. She raises one up to the sky. Bubble magic, let's try. Sparkles everywhere, okay. To send the scary pay. Kitty shark is happy now. No more fear, just fun tonight. Bubble, bubble, okay. Something strange is starting play. Kitty egg is happy now. Beauty shark is happy now. Bubble princess, wow, wow, wow. So wow, wow, wow. So much fun. Woohoo! The numbers are disappearing. Oh no! Some numbers are hiding in Kittyland. Kitty can't find them. Can you help? Let's play peekaboo and find all the numbers. Mr. One, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, said peekaboo, I found you, number 1. Mr. Two, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 2. Mr. Three, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 3. Mr. Four, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 4. Mr. Fine, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 5. Mr. Six, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 6. Wow! Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 7. Mr. Eight, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 8. Mr. Nine, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 9. Mr. Ten, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 10. Celebrate! Yay, let's dance! Kitty found all numbers today. Peekaboo game, let's all play. Wow. From 1 to 10, we had fun way. Counting adventure is done. Everyone's here. Let's celebrate. Hey, let's dance. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Does moo, 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 weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong. Oh no, no, no. Jump. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah, cow goes slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea. No energy. Feeling sad. Wow. No jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay. Farmer shouts, help me please. Cow says, moo, I need these. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Moo to I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. 3. Farmer laughs. Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty. Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. No damn dirt, no. All animals clap and cheer. Low but good. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. Cow is dancing, feeling fine. Sun is shining, farm is shining.
Oh no!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And Kitty saved it, don't you know? Moo moo happy, loud and free. Ghost from ever jiffy. True, Kitty. Old MacDonald had a sick owl. Toddler Kitty saves the day. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E. Happy birthday party time! The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Oh no no, what a day! Display chaos on the way. Kitty brings the birthday cake up pet, but the table starts to shake. Happy birthday party time! High balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Frosting flying through the sky. Kitty says, "Come back, please." Cake zooms past the party seats. Cake, 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 don't run away. Silly birthday cake today. Happy birthday party time. High balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Everyone jumps with funny eyes. Monkey hides beneath the chair. Puppy runs around and scare. Pop, 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 balloons go boom. Crazy party in the room. Kitty opens giant gift. Suddenly the lid goes flip. Tall waving pony fills the air. Toys go bouncing everywhere. Funny dances on the floor. Dino crashes through the door. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Birthday madness every night. Kitty laughs, that's okay. Funny birthday save the day. Everyone dances side by side. Big smiles they cannot hide. Cake is fixed and candles glow. Best birthday ever, you know. Happy birthday party time. High balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Paper plate us Kitty fine.
Kitty dances come along.
Keep what's made fun everywhere. Oh no, Jack Kitty forgot all her body parts. Let's help Kitty learn and point them correctly. Touch, sing, and learn with Kitty Play. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing. What can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me.